So there's this concept of uh, glass balls and rubber balls that I heard from someone. I think it's in the One Thing book. I'll put it in the description also if I remember. But yeah, so the glass balls and the rubber balls concept, very cool concept to understand and to kind of lead your life with, and gives you a fresh, different perspective. So it says that your life can be broken down into five different categories, which is work, family, health, friends, spirit. So these are five categories: work, family, health, wealth, health, friends, and spirit. Right? Again, it doesn't have to be these five. Understand that. It doesn't have to be these five, but it usually is these five. It could be just four as well, right? You could just put it as work, family or relationships, uh, health, and yeah, spirituality, right? Spirituality is your relationship with your creator or the universe. So uh, either way, it says that except for work, except for work, every other thing can be thought of as a glass ball, right? Every other thing can be thought of as a glass ball. That means family, health, friends, and spirit are essentially glass balls that you're juggling with. And the fifth one, which is the work one, can be thought of as a rubber ball, right? It's so profound. It says that all through life, every day, every week, every moment, you're essentially juggling between these five balls, which is, four of them are glass balls and one of them is a rubber ball, which says that, you know, uh, you keep on juggling, and that's kind of the art of it, where you're juggling all five of them at the best way possible. But if any one of the four that are made of glass falls down, that means you lose your focus, you lose your, uh, you know, importance for those. Uh, if any one of those falls down, it shatters completely. It's very difficult. You almost cannot bring it back up, right? Once your health falls down to a certain level, below a certain level, you probably won't be able to bring it back up to the best place possible. Once your relationships fall down, your family relationships, your friend relationships, when they disintegrate, when they break down, when they are really tense between each other, after a point they are irreparable. You probably won't be able to repair them at all. And similarly for your spirit, right? Spirit or nature or spirituality, whatever you consider that, right? If you stay away from it, if you break that down, if you're not nourishing it enough, then it will also break down completely, and you will not be able to uh, bring it back up to the best place possible. So these four these four balls are glass balls. That means one of them falls down, you cannot bring that up. But the fifth one, which is the work ball, right? That one is made up of rubber. Okay, that means this rubber ball, if it falls down, it will bounce back up very easily and very quickly. uh, it will bounce back up very easily, very quickly, and you won't even have to put a lot of effort in making that ball bounce. uh, so all of the four, if they fall down, it's gone completely. But if work falls down, it will get back up very quickly and very easily, and with almost negligible force or negligible effort comparatively. So that's what this mental model. I don't know. This is not a mental model. It's just a way of looking at life. So it's more of a philosophy as such, where you have to prioritize the right things. You have to prioritize the things that may not feel urgent, but they are super important, right? The relationships that we cherish and that make meaning out of life, they may not seem urgent, but they are the most important. The relationship that we have with ourselves or our spirit or our nature or universe, whatever you want to call it. It may not seem urgent, but it is extremely important. The relationship, uh, or not just the relationship, but the health that we have with our body, this one thing that can move, that can interact with the world, that allows us to, feel human. uh, if this breaks down for whatever reason, uh, it doesn't seem important, because by the time the pains emerge, by the time the uh, awareness comes to our psyche, by the time it becomes something that you cannot avoid, it's too late, because you've lost all of the energy, you've lost all of the rigor, you've lost all of the time that you had to prevent it, to protect your own body and your own health. So yeah, so all of these four balls, which is friends, family, health, and uh, spirit, these four balls, if they fall down, they get crushed, they get shattered, they are irreplaceable, they don't come back easily. But the fifth one, which is work, is a rubber ball. It bounces back very easily. It might seem urgent in the short run, it's not really the most important thing in our life. So I hope that helped. I hope you got something out of it. Would love to hear your take on this in the comments. And yeah, if you like this, please do subscribe. Helps me keep motivated. And see you in the next one.